Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. This dish is absolutely delicious. It is baked potatoes with a delicious fresh homemade ham salad on top. That cold ham salad on top of a very hot baked potato. It is such a delicious mix. So let's get started so I can start eating. First up, I have to prepare my potatoes. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. I'm just going to brush my large baking potatoes with some oil. And sprinkle over some salt. These are ready to be baked in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes or until they are completely cooked through. While these bad boys are in the oven, I'm ready to make my delicious homemade ham salad. In a bowl I already have lots of shredded ham and some red onion, then in with some chopped chives, sour cream, mayonnaise, pepper, salt, and mix it well together. And just taste it and see if it needs any more salt or pepper, otherwise your ham salad is done. And the perfect thing about this recipe is that you can easily make this ham salad the day before if you know that you have a busy day the next day. Then you only need to spend 3 to 5 minutes on preparing the potatoes and then just let them be in the oven, and you can do your own thing while they are baking. So you only need to use about 5 minutes when you're in a rush, and then they are ready to be served with the ham salad on the side. But when my potatoes are done, I am just going to cut into them and then add my ham salad a little bit in and then mostly on top, then some chives on top as well, and then they are ready to be served. Taste it. I've already eaten so much of it because it is so delicious. This almost makes me ready for summer. Oh my god, guys, give this a go. It is such a delicious combination of flavors, and the cold ham salad together with this hot delicious baked potato. Yum! Give it a go. All ingredients down below as always, and don't forget to subscribe here so you don't miss out on any videos. Bye!